Micah and Ray, at this point, health officials say there's plenty of vaccine to go around. It's just a matter of getting it into the communities that need it the most as the city and state prepare to reopen.
On three, 1, 2, 3.
Protect Chicago!
This group of canvassers is ready to knock on doors in Inglewood to help people get vaccinated.
If you're protected, I'm protected. If I'm protected, my family is protected. There's nothing more important than that. Nothing.
The Chicago Department of Public Health is working with community-based organizations to form these canvassing teams who are assigned to visit every home in these 13 communities, which have been hit hard by the pandemic and have the city's lowest vaccination rates.
There's a taboo in our community, and I've been out there ever since 2.5 months ago. Our communities have a taboo about the vaccine. And to see all of you who believe that it's important and that we need it, this is what we need to show.
Anyone who really has a barrier to getting vaccinated, this team will help connect those folks to vaccine even at their house.
Public Health Commissioner Dr. Allison Arwady says the timing is crucial as Chicago and Illinois enter Phase 5 reopening next week.
When we looked at our data, every one of the indicators that we're tracking is honestly doing better than we expected it to be doing at this point.
She says 63% of adults in Chicago have gotten at least their first dose.
We're going to be working very hard to get more and more people vaccinated. And so this is the time to open.
The reopening comes as the CDC urges parents to get their teens vaccinated. While most people who were hospitalized with COVID are adults, a new CDC study finds COVID hospitalization rates for teens from October 2020 through last month were 2.5 to 3 times higher than flu hospitalization rates in teens during the 3 most recent flu seasons.
Still need people in all age groups really to get vaccinated.
Arwady says in addition to these neighborhood-based efforts, they're trying to reach younger Chicagoans.
At City of Chicago vaccine locations, we're distributing Six Flags tickets, which a lot of youth have been very interested in. You can get one for yourself and for your family or friends if you get vaccinated now. And we continue to really talk to youth about their ideas.
Arwady says if we do see any surge in cases as we reopen, it'll happen in those neighborhoods where there are low vaccination rates, and that's why today's effort is so important. We're live downtown. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.